my name is Cecilia, and today I want to talk to you about the Home Good Thing add-on faucet. So this is really cool because it has two different settings. One is like a normal kind of faucet, but I'll tell you more about that in a second. And the other one is like a shower mode, and I'll show you how. Basically, it comes with a spanner, a little manual, and a few spacers that you insert here. And for the kitchen one, which I'm going to demonstrate on, we want the middle one. And I've already taken off the original one that my faucet came with, but since I want to try this shower mode, I'm going to insert this. Here we go. Sorry, wrong way around. Okay. Here we go. Oop. And then I'm going to take the spanner to tighten it. Just a little bit. Perhaps easier from this way. Yep. There we go. And basically, just a little more about the add-on faucet here. So the adjustment, it easily bends and folds at will, so that the water flow can easily reach every corner of the sink, as you can see. And it has rotating joints. The front and the rear height can be adjusted freely, making it more convenient to wash your face or gargle or, wash your dishes. And the water flow design is such that there's a strong spray shower mode, which I'm going to demonstrate just shortly, and an oxygen enriched foam stream mode. That's the one I use to fill my water glass. And the aerator, the nozzle of the aerator can be disassembled and cleaned, which is keeps it clean and hygienic, and I just pop that into my dishwasher. So let's do a little demonstration here. Shower mode is on. Let me show you on my plate. It's pretty good, huh? And then we want to turn it to oxygen mode. Oh, sorry, that way, actually. Ta-da! And there you go. Super awesome. Thank you.